Not a bad day here. Yesterday we hit 80, it was either 81 or 82. Right now I'm not sure what the temperature is, but it feels pretty nice. Temperature's supposed to go up for the next couple hours, and then we're going back down into the 50s, I think, starting later this afternoon. Temperature's gonna just keep going down. Right now though, really nice. Got the yard mowed yesterday. That was a lot of fun. I need to pick that up. Darn insulation came right out of there. Fell down. I put it in here. I was going to put it back up, and then Jesse started laying on it, and yeah, it's pretty much no good anymore. But today, boys and girls, something that I've needed to do on the truck over here for a little while now, and I just keep forgetting to do it. Well, not totally. When I drive it, I remember, but then I just don't do it. And I wanted to make a little video on it. And that is, I gotta put my rear view mirror back up. And I've done this several times before in this truck. I mean, granted, the truck is what, 26 years old. So that's to be expected, I imagine, but it has fallen off a few times. So gotta do it again. So first things first here, we need to get the button out of the mirror. And remember which side goes up. You don't want to put it on your windshield upside down. So a little side up, pop him out of there, maybe. There we go. So it goes in like that. And we need to clean this off and also clean off the windshield, which first I'm going to take a razor blade to this and the windshield, then I'm going to clean it off with this alcohol swab, and then, well, I'll show you. And I don't think there's really anything on here, but I'm going to do a little scrapey with razor blade. Make sure there's no old adhesive or anything on here. In fact, I might take a little bit of sandpaper to that. So, all right, I got some 500 grit sandpaper here. We're just going to lightly sand that down. Make sure we get all the crud off of it. And then in here you can see there's some adhesive on there where the mirror was before. Before I scrape that off there, that light's not in the best spot, is it? Before I scrape that off of there though, I'm going to mark on the outside of the windshield. Actually, there's a mark right up there from where I've done it before, I guess. But I'm going to mark on the outside with just a whiteboard. I'm going to mark on the outside with just a whiteboard marker, and so it'll come off real easy. That's not a whiteboard marker. That'll work. Alright, I marked that on the outside. That first marker I got didn't work, and I actually didn't do a very good job. I think I'll go off that top mark. I'll get it in there somewhere close. That light is not helping things. So, take my razor blade, scrape off any old adhesive there. And I'm going to get that alcohol wipe swab thing, whatever you want to call it. Clean off the windshield, clean off the button. Just give this a quick little wipe down, just to get any leftover crud off of it. And I'm going to go do the same to the windshield. Alright, got that done. Then we're going to take this out. This has the activator. This here's the activator. And this is the glue. Pretty simple to do. You peel this back, wipe off the button, wipe off the windshield. think you just pull this back and that actually doesn't come out of there. So we'll give this a little wipe down here. Give the windshield a little quick wipe down where I'm going to be putting the mirror, somewhere in there. You're supposed to let that dry for about a minute. Then we'll just do a little snippy snip of this. They say to just put one drop on the button and put it on the windshield. And I think I've always put on more. Maybe that's why it doesn't last for years and years, but there's one drop. And we'll get this up there. I'm gonna put it right there. I think I had my camera setting wrong. I think I had it on narrow. Might have been zoomed in a little too much, and it looks like I got a little bit of glue or something right there. Anyway, you're supposed to let that sit for at least 30 minutes. It's been longer than that. So, get this back on there, if I can see what I'm doing. And we should be good to go. Finally, I tell you, I've been wanting to do that now for probably a couple of weeks, and I just haven't got it done. And I've been telling you I had something small to do on the truck, and that was it for the moment. And I know I need a little bit of a haircut, but I'm sure all of you are aware, can't go get a haircut right now. So this ought to be good, at least another 3 weeks without getting a haircut. Anyway, the weather out here has changed. Sky's clouded up, the wind has really, it's not too bad right now. It was really blowing just a little bit ago, and it's starting to cool down. I wish it would just stay about 80 degrees, but that'll be coming. Oh, won't it, Jess? Anyway, I need to pick up this mess, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I should have washed the darn truck yesterday when it was so warm and nice out. I thought about it, didn't do it. It's not really dirty, it's a little dusty dirty is all. Actually, what I think I might do, put these new blades on the mower. Seemed to mow okay yesterday, but I know those blades are not in very good shape. I hit a lot of stuff yesterday too. I'm glad I didn't put new ones on. But anyway, yeah, replacing your rear view mirror, if you've never done that, pretty darn simple. Just clean off your windshield, clean off that button, make sure there's no leftover adhesive or anything. I went ahead and wiped it down with some alcohol, but their little directions here don't mention doing that. They just say wipe the activator on, let that sit for a minute, one drop of the glue, and supposed to let it sit, I think it said at least 30 minutes. I think it's been about an hour or more, but pretty darn simple. I'm pretty sure I'd never just put one little drop on that thing before. I probably usually put 2 or 3 on there. I don't know if that really makes a difference or not, but we'll find out. It said 1 drop, so that's what I did. Anywho, I think I'm gonna clean up my mess down here and try to straighten the shop up a little bit. Jessie looks like she wants to take a nap. I need to go up to the house and get me some lunch. So with that being said, if you would, give this video a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell. That way you always know when I upload a video. Check out my barbecue channel, The Fox Shop Barbecue. I do have a video ready to put up on there. Just haven't done it yet. So it'll be linked down below in the description. It's just The Fox Shop BBQ. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.